let's read the question. At 6 a.m., the temperature in Hibbing, Minnesota was negative 35 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature had risen 29 degrees by 2 p.m. and fallen 18 degrees by 6 p.m., what was the temperature at 6 p.m.? So first, we start off with the starting temperature, right, at 6 a.m., which is negative 35. They ask us if the temperature had risen 29 degrees, right? Keyword risen means that we're going to add, right? It went up. It went up by 29 degrees. Negative 35 plus 29. In this case, we're going to subtract the two numbers, keep the sign of the larger number. The answer is negative 6. Okay? Now we continue. It says, and then it's fallen by 18 degrees. What does fallen mean? It means it went down. So we're going to subtract 18. In this case, we can rewrite it better like this. Right, negative 6 minus 18. Right, we rewrite it as negative 6 plus negative 18. Since now they're both negative, we're just going to add. 6 plus 18 is 24. Since they're both negative, the answer is negative when we're adding. And that's your answer.
This question is asking, Gina opens a checking account with $360. She deposits $178, then $439 in her account, and writes a check for $139. A week later, she withdraws $589. How much does she have now in her account? So let's start with the beginning of this problem, which is she opens a checking account with $360. That's how much she has to begin with. She then deposits $178 and then $439. So she adds this amount and this amount to her account. So 360 plus 178 plus 439 is going to give me 0 plus 8 plus 9 is going to give me 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 6 plus 7 plus 3 is going to give me 17. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 is going to give me 7, 8, 9. So after she deposits 178 and 439, she has a total of $977. Next, she writes a check for $139. That means that she spent $139 from her checking account that has $977. So $977 subtracted by 139 is going to give me 7 minus 9. This 7 is going to borrow from this 7 here, making this a 6 and making this a 17. 17 subtracted by 9 is going to give me 8. 6 subtracted by 3 is going to give me 3. And then 9 subtracted by 1 is going to give me 8. So she has $838 after she wrote that check. So finally, a week later, she withdraws $589. She subtracted $589 from the amount that she has in her account. So $838 subtracted by 589 is going to give me 8 subtracted by 9. This 8 is going to borrow from this 3, making this a 2, and making this an 18. So 18 subtracted by 9 is going to give me 9. 2 subtracted by 8, this 2 is going to borrow from this 8, making this a 7, making this a 12. 12 subtracted by 8 is going to give me 4. And then 7 subtracted by 5 is going to give me 2. So how much does she have in her account? In the end, it's going to be $249. So this is going to be my final answer.